Most of us first meet pi in high school as the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. But behind that familiar 3.14159 lies something deeper, a constant that never ends, never repeats, and turns up in every wave, orbit, and cycle in our universe. Pi is infinite, yet it describes the finite circle, a symbol of eternity inside matter. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mathematicians have noted a striking pattern. The sum of the first 144 digits of pi equals 666. The number 144 itself is 12 times 12, a squared number rich in symbolism, showing up in Revelation as the foundation of the 144,000. When magnified by 1,000, 144 becomes a collective number, not about head count, but about the fullness of humanity awakened and unified. 666, meanwhile, has long been called the number of the beast, yet it also points straight at the building block of life, carbon. The most common form of carbon, carbon-12, makes up almost 99% of all natural carbon. It is the element that scaffolds our bodies, our food, and nearly all life as we know it. Its atomic structure carries an uncanny resonance with this 666 code. 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. In other words, carbon-12, the foundation of matter, is stamped with 666. So what do pi and carbon-12 have in common? Pi represents the infinite unfolding, the eternal geometry behind waves, cycles, and circles. Carbon-12 represents the finite scaffolding of matter, the 666 code of physical embodiment. Put together, they illustrate a profound truth. The infinite ratio, pi, is always pouring itself into the finite form, carbon. This is creation and life itself. And here's the bigger picture. Photons, particles of light, represent consciousness, divine intelligence, mind. Pi symbolizes the mathematics of unfolding cycles. Carbon is matter. The pattern is clear. Photons over carbon, mind over matter, light animating the vessel. In the book of Revelation, 666 has long been misunderstood as a sign of evil, but read through the lens of science and symbolism, it becomes a pointer to matter itself. And 144,000? It represents matter awakened, the squared perfection of 12 times 12 magnified into the collective. The message is that humanity is not bound by carbon, but capable of being illuminated by light. Pi reminds us that infinity and order lie at the heart of creation. Carbon-12 reminds us that even our bodies are coded with number and pattern. And together with the symbolism of 144 and 144,000, they suggest that life is nothing less than the infinite unfolding into matter. Light expressed through form, eternity woven into every cell. If you're interested in reading more, my full work, The Book of Revolution, is available globally online now.